Uh, Let me share my screen first. Today, what we are going to do is we are going to use learn on time intelligence DAX. Okay. So, what do you understand by time intelligence? So, as the name suggests, we are going to
Right.
use all the time functions to calculate something. Okay.
Okay.
Right. Okay. So actually, the time intelligence is also called modifying the filter context for date filters. Okay. Whenever there would be a date, or if we are going to calculate something on the basis of year, month, quarter, okay,
Right.
these
Mhm.
all comes under time intelligence. That's okay. So we will start doing that. So, what time intelligence can help us? It accumulation of the revenue for year, quarter, month. Okay, what was the revenue was produced in the same period last year? What growth in revenue has been achieved over the same period last year? So, and how many new customers made their first order in each month? Okay. What's the inventory stocks on hand value for the company's product? All these things which are having mentioned the time. Okay,
Mhm.
so we are going to use time intelligence for that. Okay, let's take
Mhm.
an example. As we have already discussed that there is a adventure works company which is a US based company. Let's suppose. Okay, and their financial years begins this one. Yeah, this financial years begins July 1 and ends on June 30. Okay, of the following year. So
Mhm.
now we are going to, this is our scenario. Now we are going, what we are going to do is we are going to calculate monthly revenue, okay, and year to date revenue, okay.
Mhm.
So we will work on this, okay. You got
Yes.
what you got the things what we are going to do now, okay.
Yes. Yes.
So there are some types of time intelligence function that we use. First is summarization. What do you mean by the summarization? Summarization means basically if somebody says that I want to get the revenue of the last year till this date. Okay. So it
Okay.
will, it will give us the summarized value of over this time period. Okay.
Mhm.
So this is the, we have such functions for that as well. Okay. So this is called summarization basically. Okay.
Okay.
Other thing is summarization and another thing is, okay. Mm, I think comparison. Okay, yeah, comparison over the time. Okay, if you want to check, uh, the revenue, what is the previous year revenue or previous month revenue, and you are going to compare it with today's or this year's revenue or sales, you can use this time intelligence function as a comparison over the time. Okay. So basically, we use these two types of time intelligence function, and let's understand what there are multiple functions comes under summarization over the time and comparison over the time. Okay, so let's talk about the summarization over the time. So
Okay.
suppose summarization over the time. What do you understand? Do you have any thought over it, or yeah, you can say. What does mean the what you can understand the summarization over the time?
You use the
What you
summary
can,
of
yeah,
particular period. But
yes,
yeah.
Yeah. So the thing
The
is,
sales, the growth.
mhm.
Mm,
So if it is said to you that I want, you know, the revenue,
mm,
okay, for this year, to this date, okay,
mm.
this is example of summarization. Okay, if
Okay.
someone says I just want to get revenue till this month, okay, this month to this date, okay, or this quarter to this date,
Mm,
okay, so that is the summarization over the time. Okay, so let's understand. First, we will work on uh, you know uh, year to date. Okay, I just want to get revenue year to date. Okay, let me open my PBIX that we were working before. That is your name. This is here. We were working on 2007. Okay, this one, 2020 M07. Okay, okay. So let's understand what we need to do first. Okay, so basically, I want to calculate revenue till this date. Okay,
okay.
so I just want to let okay, let me open this one. So we have already discussed that our financial year is started from July to June, correct? 1st July to 30 June. 1st July to 30 June. 30 June. Okay. So, we have uh, a 6 months difference in our original date table. Agree? Okay.
Yes,
So,
yes.
yeah, if I want to calculate uh, revenue. If I want to calculate revenue for this year, okay, for this year. So, okay, till this year to this date, okay, this date.
Mm,
So I have to mention this 30 June, okay, 30 June there in my formula in my DAX, okay. So let's see how we are going to get it, okay. Suppose this is our year. We have already gone for our fiscal year, and I we have already know here that is our revenue. So what I'm going to do is I want my uh, accumulation of revenue. Okay, that will give me the result till date. Okay, till date. Suppose I'm taking 2020. Should I take 2020?
mm,
And I should work on 2020. First, I'm just selecting 2020, 21. Okay. 21 is not there. Here is the full, um, yeah, full from July to June. We are having all our revenue for July to June. Okay. So what I am going to do is, okay, is taking from 2013, 2018, 19, and 20. Everything is there. Um, let me unfilter it first. Okay. Let me unfilter it first. Okay. So I want to calculate my revenue. I want to calculate my revenue. That is going to summarize the revenue till this date. Okay. So let me, okay, one second. There is my, okay, where should I create? Let me block it here. Okay. New measure. And what I'm going to do is revenue till this date. DYT, YTD, YTD. Okay. So let me say its name is correct or not. Is revenue YTD or not? Okay. Right now I'm using the date function. No, its name is running total basically. I'll show you why it's called running total as well. Okay. But
Okay.
revenue YTD. So what I'm going to do, I need revenue basically. Revenue. Okay. Till which date I want? T, yeah, date YTD. Difference here is YTD. Okay. Dates. Okay. Now what I have to do is I have to give the definition, and the definition is June 30. Okay. It's June 30. So how we mm, write June 30? It's in numerical value. 30 and June. 6 and 36 means June, and 30 is the date. So this is our revenue. I'm calculating it on basis of this date. Now let me place it to the here. Okay, let me convert it into a dollar first. Okay, now we have already put it here. Now I just wanted to show you here. Okay, this is our revenue till this date. Okay, so what it does it basically it is also popular name running total. Okay, running total. What it does basically it just take you know the this month and year revenue, and what it does is it when it comes to the next month it adds the first month and the second month and give us the
Okay.
result. Okay. Then what it does, it adds the another month with the sum of the total, sum till this second month. Okay. And then give the result. So this is why it is called running total. Okay. That's why it is used as a summarization time intelligence function. Okay. Do you got it?
Yes, yes.
So what it is giving you, it's doing the same thing as per year. Okay, is doing the
Okay.
things as per year. You can do it as per month. Okay, and as per quarter as well. Okay, this is what we have got. We have done it as per year. Okay. So, uh, date YTD is quite tough, basically. Quite tough, not tough, but it's complex because uh, we have used here the YTD. One second, huh? We have, one second. We have used here this dates YTD. Okay,
Okay.
dates YTD. So we rather than using dates YTD, we can use total YTD. Okay, total YTD is another function. But what does the total YTD is? It does not take calculate in consideration. Okay, let me check. I'm just taking it here. This, and rather than using calculate, I'm using total YTD. Okay, total. This is the YTD. Demand. One second. Hmm. Here is total YTD. One second. Confirm. Now I'm doing date. Why it's not taking the date table? Once date. Okay, let me check. Okay, total YTD. Okay, I have not. Okay, sorry. I have not taken the revenue. I should have taken the revenue first. Then it should be go for the date. And what date we have to select? It's 6 and 30. Okay. Okay, one second. 6, 30. Okay, now I'm just closing it. So, okay, it will give me the same. Let me convert it into the dollar. Okay, so this is how it looks. It is giving me the same result here. Okay, as revenue Y2D is giving. Okay, only the difference is we have used here a simple total. We have used here the calculate function with the the dates YTD, and here we have used only one total YTD to calculate the same thing. Okay, so um, that's how it works, and you can use this as well here. It's not have a you know very big deal here. So you understood how what this function
Mm.
does basically?
Yeah.
Yeah. So the thing is, if you are not able to understand the DAX as of now, okay, that's okay. But you should be able to understand the concept. Okay. And the concept is about running total. Okay. What is the running total basically? Running total is basically if we are going to calculate it on the basis of year. So what it should give me the as a result? It should give me the first month plus the another the previous month, okay, as a revenue for this period, this month. Okay, if there is August, it's going August, so I just want a running total for August. So what it does is it it do the sum of the revenue of August and July and give me the total. Okay, that's how it goes for another month and year. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So this is quite easy. Okay. Now what you can do is you can go for this dates MTD, this dates QTD. Okay. This MTD and this QTD by yourself. Okay. By yourself. Also here the total QTD and total MTD by yourself. Okay. And see the difference. Okay, why you have used it. So this is the note I have written to you. Okay, so yeah, that's how our running total works. Basically, this is the concept of running total. Okay, do you have any query?
No, no.
No. Okay, this is the basically YTD. Okay, I have made a note for you. Okay, now let's talk about uh, there is another very important concept in time intelligence function. This is cumulative, okay, cumulative or moving average. Okay, cumulative and moving average. Cumulative, you have understood. You have understood what does the cumulative means. Uh, we have already done this. That you know, if I want the revenue of August, so what it does is it do the summarization of July and then August, July plus August, then give me result in August. Okay, but sometimes we what our manager asks is, I just want to see 3 months, the accumulation of the 3 months only. I don't want to see the full year data. I don't want to see the running total for full year. I just want to see if it's September, I just want to see in September, mm, this July plus August plus September. Okay, that should be my result. And in October, what should I see? I just want to see August plus September plus October. Okay. And in November, what I can see, I just want to see September plus October plus November. This. Okay, this is called cumulative. Okay. So let me see how we are able to get the uh, cumulative. We got the cumulative sum with help of dates in period. Okay, as the name suggests, what does the dates in period means? There should be a dates. Sorry, there should be two dates: start date and the end date. Okay, end date, and there is an interval that you have to provide as per your manager says. Okay. Okay. So with this specific intervals, you are going to calculate this value. Okay. Suppose I just want to calculate 3 months sum. Okay. 3 months accumulated sum. So how I'm going to do is I'm just creating another measure, and let me see, cumulative 3 months revenue. Okay, revenue. If I just want to see, so I will calculate what? I will calculate the revenue. It is already there. Okay, then what's I need dates in period to define the date range. Okay, so first I'm taking the date. Okay, then I'm taking the max date. And you know what is the max date? Max date is what date is selected. Okay, what uh, date is selected, and I just want to get the data of 3 months back. So I'm just putting here three, and it has given me the options. So I am just going for the month. Okay, I'm just giving for the month, or I can do the day as well. Okay, if I just want to get the cumulative revenue for day or month, I'm just taking it a month right now. Okay, let me close it, and okay, and what I'm going to do is, if there is, 1 second, um, I have to create a table, another table, because it's a date wise, but I want now month wise. Okay, so here is the month. It's already a month. Okay, it's a July, August. Okay, it's a July, August. So it's good. July, August, July, August. It's a month wise. Okay, not a date wise. Okay, it can be worked here. Okay, so let me put the yeah, here it is. Let me yeah, do it like this. Okay, now let's check what is the result. Okay, so it has given me, okay, just avoid it. Just second, first, let's see the July data. It's giving me this one. Then July and then August. August is giving me this one. Then September. September is giving me this one. Okay, September is giving me this one. So what does it mean? Okay, yeah, it is calculating. Okay, let me, you are not able to understand it with this. Okay, now you can understand now. Here is the first month. It's giving me the same result. Now the second one, it's giving me this plus this. Okay, now it's giving me the third one. So this plus this, it's giving me this uh, 60, this result. Okay, this result. Now what happens is when it comes to October, what it does it will take this one plus this one plus this one. Okay. August plus September, then October, and give me the result. Okay. Now, when it
Mm.
comes to the November, it will do September plus October plus November. Then it will give me the number. Okay. So that's how the cumulative works. Okay. Cumulative. So this is for cumulative 3 months, and we have already told what is the running total in which you are going to sum with every row. Okay, but here you can give the intervals of 3 months. Okay, the same way you can do the interval of days, interval of years, same way, the same way. Okay, so you understood the concept of running total and cumulative. Okay,
Mm. Yeah.
am I correct? Okay, do you have
Yes,
any
yes, sir.
issue? Any
No,
issue,
no,
any problem, any query?
no.
No. Okay. Okay. Uh, these are quite famous. Many organization uses the same method day and again. Okay. So it would be very easy to you remember when once you will start working, in sales data because it's
Mhm.
very common. It's very common. Now let's understand the moving average. Yeah, this is the moving average. This is the another concept. Okay, what you have understood the cumulative. Okay, cumulative sum. Okay,
Yeah.
now for the moving average, you have to do nothing, but divided it with the interval months you have selected. In this case, you are going to divide it with three. Okay, nothing more. So that is our moving average. But sometimes they will ask, I'm not taking 3 months data. I'm just taking 4 months data, 5 months data, 6 month data, or 1 month data, or 2 month data. Then what you are going to do? Okay, so for that purpose, we have to make it dynamic. Okay, so for that, what we have done is, I have done, I have created two variables. First is the same, which is giving me the 3 month revenue, and then what I have done is I have calculated the month count in another one. So how we have calculated the month, just like we have did a distinct count of the month and took the same period. Okay, now let me show you how we have made it. Okay, with help of dates in period. Okay, now I am creating a moving average for 3 months. moving Sorry, moving average 3 months. Okay, For that, first, we have already that cumulative function available.
Mm,
But what I'm going to do is I'm making it from scratch. Okay, pre.
mm,
Sorry, I need to cumulative. Okay, cumulative 3 months revenue. So how we made it? We have made it calculate. The expression is our revenue, and then what we have done is we have take dates in period. Okay, now what was dates in period? That was our date, then our maximum date, which in this case is whatever we have selected. Okay, now our interval is was 3 months, and here we have the month. Okay, now, okay, mm, here. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm creating another variable which is month count. Month count. Okay, month count. And how we are going to calculate month count? It's the same way. Mm, calculate what I have to count. Distinct count. Okay, distinct count of what? Month. Distinct count of month. Okay, on which basis? On which basis? The basis here, dates in period. Dates in period. Okay, what is the date? Date, this one. The maximum date was the end date. Okay, interval was 3. So I'm doing the -3 and I'm just taking the month. Okay, so here it
mm,
is. Now we have created two variables. Okay, now um, uh, we are going to return on our original formula. And what is the formula? This cumulative divide by divide divide what is the numerative? Cumulative revenue. This one. Okay. With which month? Okay. This is the month. Where is month count? Where is the month count? Here it is. Okay. Month count. Now I'm doing the blank. Okay. Here. Now we are going to get our moving average for 3 months. Okay. Now let me put it here. Okay. Before that, what I'm going to do, I'm making it. Uh, I'm just making it on dollar. Okay. Okay. Yes, that is. So now you can see you have got the average now. You can check it. Here it is the first month, and what would be the average, moving average? It would be divided by 1. Now it would be divided by 2, the second one. Okay. Now third one is divided by 3. Now fourth is this one divided by 5. Okay. This is how it goes. Okay.
mm.
You got it now? Moving
Yeah.
average. Yeah. So that is how our moving average works. So we have understood
Mm,
three concepts now. Okay, running total. This is
mm,
here cumulative revenue, and the third is moving average. These three are quite very important topic to when it comes to revenue. Sorry, when it comes to sales data. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm just making it duplicate. Okay. Rather than uh, rather than having this moving average and cumulative average, I'm just putting the YTD one. Okay, the YTD one. So whenever you are going to look back into it, you can get it easily. Okay. So let me see what is left now. Okay. Now we have, this is already done. Okay. Now we have dates between. So as the name suggests, what is the dates between? So here in dates in period, we have selected the max date. Means it's today's date. Okay. Whatever we have selected. But When we use dates between, we can give date, start date, and the end date according to us. Okay, okay,
Yes.
okay. Now we are going to look into how we can create a measure or DEX with help of dates between. Okay, there are 3 minutes left. What we can do is we can start a new recording. Okay,
Okay.
okay, I'm just dropping it. You have any query, any question? You can ask.
No, 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 no.
You're fine. Okay,
Yeah, yeah.
okay then. I'm just dropping it. Stop.